In this video, I'll guide you through how to move a personal form to a group in Microsoft Forms. This is really useful when you've started a form on your own, but now you want to collaborate with your team, or you need the form to be owned and managed by a group instead of just your individual account. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to move a form safely without losing access or confusing your respondents. First, open Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to the Microsoft Forms website in your browser or by opening it from your Microsoft 365 app launcher if you're already signed in. Make sure you're using the account that actually owns the form you want to move, because you'll only see forms that belong to the account you're currently logged in with. Once Microsoft Forms is open, look for the section labeled My Forms. This area lists all the forms that are currently owned by you personally, not by a group. If you've created a lot of forms, you may need to scroll a bit or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you're looking for. Taking a moment to confirm you're in My Forms and not in a group section is important, because the move option we're going to use appears only for personal forms. Next, select the form you want to move. You don't need to open it fully to start editing questions. You just need to highlight or click on the Forms tile so that it's clearly selected. This is the form that will be transferred from your personal ownership to a group, so double check that you've chosen the correct one, especially if you have several with similar names. With your form selected, go to the Form tile and click on More Options, which appears as 3 vertical dots or sometimes 3 horizontal dots depending on your layout. This menu is where Microsoft Forms keeps additional actions that aren't shown right on the main tile. Clicking the 3 dots will open a small drop-down menu with several choices related to managing that form. From this menu, choose the option called Move to a Group. When you click this, Microsoft Forms will show you a list of groups that you're a member of. These are typically Microsoft 365 groups or teams that you have access to. Take a moment here to pick the correct target group, especially if your organization has many teams with similar names. Once you see the right group, select it to confirm that this is where you want your form to live from now on. After you select the target group, Microsoft Forms will complete the move. The form will now appear under that group's forms instead of under My Forms. From this point on, members of that group will be able to collaborate on the form, view and manage responses, and share it with others according to the group's permissions. That's all you need to do. You've successfully moved a personal form into a group in Microsoft Forms, making it easier for your team to work together and manage it going forward.